That's pretty good.
The battery's real low, so it won't go high.
Mm.
You know, it's just barely.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Yeah, make it go forward.
Steer it. There you go. Uh-oh.
Let me try. Yeah, there you go.
Oh boy. Jerry don't know what to think. Oh no, don't let go of the water.
Whoa. Good job, Carter.
Wait. See how it's trying to spin right now? There you go. Let's take it back. Yep. Now do it.
Whoa. That's cool. Ooh, that looked like that hurt, didn't it, Carter?
Okay, don't. So you got to put this back before you go touch it because it'll take off spinning. Now, don't put it close to there.
Put it right here.
Put it in the middle.
Right
Put it in the middle.
Right here. Right here.
Yeah.
Put it right there.
Down there. Put it right
That
down
way you
there.
don't hit anything.
That's
Yeah.
a good spot. That's a good spot. Oh, you're gonna hit Grandma's foot? Boy, it's covering. That's cool.
What do you
I
think?
sure wish you'd give me a ride on that.
Good job, Carter.
This squirt water from here to the wall. It's got a
It
water
squirts
can.
water?
Yeah, it's got a water
Uh-oh.
can. I got you. You'll learn when you pick that up. You better have that deal back. She'll sure smack
He
you.
said thanks.
You did.
No. He's saying get. I don't know. Neat. Neat.
Neat.
Cool.
Man. Whoa, man.
Whoa.
See, you're the back one there, and that's what steers it.
That's cool.
That's cool, Carter. No? What?
Neat.
Is it you say neat?
Daddy ought to be getting his any day.
You haven't got it yet?
It's different.
I don't know. I haven't been at home.
Big one I got.
Whoa. Hot.
See how you got that throttle?
Nice.
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 Yeah.
It can take off spinning.
Oh, God.
It won't cut him.
He wants it to go higher.
Push it back. I know it. He's looking up.
Mm-hmm.
The other one, there.
It's gonna get ya.
Do a few more than we
Whoa.
do on America's Funniest Videos. That almost got you. And he's backing up.